Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 118 scale video. And in today we have a Welly next models. So this one's pretty cool. It is the 1972 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, and this was one of the cheaper stuff. But Welly is doing very good actually. 118 scale cars, in my opinion. So it's just not that well. Well, I haven't seen that much. I've seen these green boxes way more in like smaller scales or like 143. Lately, the 118s I haven't seen them that much. And also this release. Oops. Yeah, the I think I have lost like that inner piece which holds usually this base in the place. So yeah, I don't want to move it around too much. We can check out the information on the bottom when the car is out of the box. So let me just grab this, pull it out. Okay, now it's safe. Now let's check the information on the bottom. I wonder if it has a year here when this model was released. Yeah, I don't know why they don't put a release year on these. It says 2015. It could be right. It could be 2015 because I think that's when around that time when I got this thing. So okay, there's our box. There's our car on the platform. So this will have all opening parts. Let's see how many screws we're dealing with. Oh, there's 4 of them. Okay, so I'll get this car off the base and I'll be right back. Okay, I've gotten the car off the base. It is now with my fingerprints because I did polish this thing before I put it into the box, but it's fine. I'll polish it afterwards again. But look at this thing. Like, this thing is awesome looking. Like, very nice. We all got all of these like lensed like fog lights or those like are beams. I'm not fully sure. The actual lights. Got the big nostrils. Got the shaker hood. Got Trans Am on side. Got some vents for the engine. The rims look very nice. As you can see, there's your back details, also with the inserted, of course, tail lights. Check out the base of this car. There you go. Got like the gas tank is separately casted. The exhausts are separately made. Also, this one has also suspension, as you can see, for the back wheels, and not for the fronts. So you have like all this steering columns and stuff like that. They don't move around because they're here. These are, maybe those are not steering columns. Those could be, oh, it's the sway bars. Okay, never mind. Sway bars. It's interesting how the exhaust goes because this one's like straight and then it turns, and this one's like this, funky, like it's not fully in the same way as the other one. But that's how it apparently was made or something. I'm not fully sure. But yeah, let's check out the other stuff. So let's do the back. There's your back. I got the spare wheel in there with all the rubber and stuff. It's all plastic in there, so no like texture or stuff. Shuts perfectly well. Then we got the doors, which open quite wide and it's fine. The seats don't move on this model, so you cannot fold them like some of the other ones I had, but you can look at there's seats in the back. The driver's seat, there's the look of the interior panel. This one really focus. I don't know why my camera hates the interiors. Yeah, it sort of wants and it doesn't want. Maybe it's because of the reflection of the car or something. But you can see all the gauges and stuff like that. We've got even pedals on the bottom. You got your automatic transmission. Doors open and close perfectly well. There's no massive gaps or anything. Got mirrors and stuff. Let's check out the hood. So this one comes with the basic style of opening hood with these metal parts. No fancy schmancy stuff like our world does, or some other brands also in that matter actually. The shaker hood is a little bit crooked for some reason, but okay. Here's your engine details, and there's a lot of details in there. We even got the batteries painted with all the wiring going around the fender, in the fender. I mean, yeah, I got like this. What is this? Like the safety rails or something? Coolant. Not really sure what all the barrels are, but yeah. Very cool. We got the belts and everything. Generator. Very awesome stuff. So let's close that. And yeah, I think this is a very, very good model. If you, and also of course the rolls. So yeah, like I said, oh wait, I didn't show that steering angle. So it's not the biggest steering angle. It's a bit stiff also, but at least it stays straight. The steering wheel does move around if that's important to you. And yeah, I think this is an amazing model. And if you were thinking about getting this one, Welly, I think they did a very good job with this. So, in my opinion, a very good model to pick up if you can, of course. So that will be that. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.